potato, pass the potato, hot potato, pass the potato, hot potato, pass the potato, hot potato, pass the potato. No tidbits, my man. You know we fist the jam. So roll, get with the plan before shit hits the fan. The show gets ripped again. We diddle around a rhyme, a riddler, reiterate a written word, a rhythmic, arithmetic, ridiculous, meticulous. Get to get you knew me when you blew me. Rip your bit, lift your lip off the tip sound around town. So boogie down with the brothers that'll rock your party. Jump up, spin around and sock somebody. Yeah, we're like a winter beat, beat bumping and you throw your hands in the air. Now he might, she might ignite down on my we bite, bait, bite, we fight, fight on right. Come ride the friendly styles of the freestyle fellowship crew. They may say he be me, we all look alike, we all know tricky rhyme flow all on cue, and we're hardcore too. Ooh. Hot potato, pass the potato, hot potato, pass the potato, hot potato, pass the potato, hot potato, pass the potato. We seen a potato batch 50 feet high. Thought to ourselves we could make some fries. Grabbed our potato cutter and our knives, start cutting them up down to size. That's when we opened up the fellowship shop. Had sweet potato pie, tater tots by the wop. Grand opening Tater Town. That's when we met Miss Ashley Brown. She ate the top potato to be passed around, cause the tater skin smooth and ass round.
Now since my baby left me, I ain't been quite as healthy. So I went to Alphaveta, got a sack of apple potatoes, so thought that could help me. Mercy me,
Where's my potato? Mercy me.
sweet potato pie,
Mercy me.
potatoes on front,
Mercy me.
curly fries.